Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download AOL app on mobile. So now let's begin with the process. First of all, launch App Store or Google Play Store according to your device if you own an Android device or an iOS device. So in my case, I'm just gonna launch App Store here. Now once you are here, just go to the search bar and search for AOL. Now tap open the application that is on top. Now once you are here, you'll see the option of Get. So just tap on that option of Get. Now simply tap on the option of Install. Now you may have to wait for some time until the app is downloading. This may take a while longer. Also, make sure that you are around a stable internet connection so that there are no problem with your download process. Now once the application has been downloaded, simply tap on Open. Now over here, simply tap on Allow in case of notifications and then tap on Next. Now tap on Allow again. Now you can see that your AOL application has successfully been downloaded. You can also tap on the person's icon at the top left corner and you'll come across various options here. You can also sign in to your AOL account and use it accordingly. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.